Hi everybody, and welcome to Improve My Maths, a place where you can improve your maths by yourself. Today we're going to be looking at rounding numbers to the nearest 10. This video was made for children who are 8 years and older, so just make sure it's suitable for you and the class you're in. Today's lesson is rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Why are we learning this? Well, we round numbers so that we can add numbers quicker in our heads. It can also be used to estimate amounts. Okay, so let's get started. Basically, any numbers ending in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 will get rounded down to 0 or 10. An example of this would be the number 64. Because 64 ends in a 4 or has a 4 in the units column, that would get rounded down to the number 60. Whereas any number ending in a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 will get rounded up to the nearest 10. An example of that would be the number 35. And because 35 ends in a 5 and has a 5 in the units column, that would get rounded up to 40. Now let's look at the numbers 10 to 20. Remember, when rounding to the nearest 10, we must look at the units in each number. So, the numbers 11, 12, 13 and 14, they will get rounded down to 10. Whereas the numbers 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, they'll get rounded up to 20. Simple. This time let's look at the numbers 30 to 40 and see what happens there. Remember, we are rounding the numbers by looking at the units. So the numbers 31, 32, 33 and 34, they'll get rounded down to 30. Whereas the numbers 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39 will get rounded up to 40. Great. Okay, I think you must be getting the idea. Let's just look at this last set of numbers, the numbers 50 to 60. The numbers 51, 52, 53, 54 will get rounded down to, you guessed it, 50. Whereas the numbers 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59 will get rounded up to 60. Super! Okay, let's put what we have learnt into practice. Here we've got the number 17 plus 34. Now, how would you round that? Press pause to see if you can round it by yourself and then unpause afterwards. Okay, so the number 17, because it ends in a 7, will get rounded up to 20. And then the number 34, because it ends in a 4, that must get rounded down to 30. So 20 plus 30 is 50. And then 7 plus 4 is 11, carry over the 1. 3 plus 1 is 5, 51. So the rounded number actually turned out to be quite similar to the accurate answer. Great work. Let's do a takeaway sum now to see how that works. So here we've got 52 take away 26. Now, how would we round that? Press pause to see if you can round it by yourself and then unpause afterwards. Okay, great. So because 52 ends in a 2, it will get rounded down to 50. And because 26 ends in a 6, that will get rounded up to 30. So 50 take away 30 is 20. And then if we go back to the original sum, we're going to have to rename the 5. So rename that to a 4, bring over the 10, 12 take away 6 is 6, and then 4 take away 2 is 2. And as we can see here, the rounded answer was again quite similar to the accurate answer. Brilliant work. Let's do one more takeaway, just to make sure we understand. So here we've got 76 take away 23. And press pause to see if you can round it by yourself first. Okay, because 76 ends in a 6, it will get rounded up to 80. And then because 23 ends in a 3, that must get rounded down to a 20. 80 take 20 is 60. 76 take away 23 is 53. And again, the rounded answer was quite close to the accurate answer. Great job! Excellent work! You've learnt how to round numbers to the nearest 10. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.